We're going to be going on the New York Transit line, and we're going to be doing some photos for La Paris and her business, Brooklyn Blooms. Check it out, Brooklyn Blooms is dope. And then we're just going to be shooting some crowns, some floral crowns, some floral bouquets, and just kicking it up. So check this out. We in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, baby, you know what I mean? We doing what we do. We just shot in this winery right here. It's really dope, you know what I mean? And then now, you know, I'm putting on my New Yorker accent, you know what I mean? We out here in these streets. We out here in these streets. I'm just trying to shoot with this 85 Sony 1.4 or 1.8, you know what I mean? With my homie, Ebo, you know what I mean? And then my homie, La Paris, behind the ones and the twos, you already know what it is. The threes and the fours. Look away this way, nice, not too much, like over my shoulder. Yeah, nice laugh. You already know what it is. You're such a, yeah, all you doing is pointing in my direction, that's all. Just bringing it down a bit. Look at me. Perfect. Yeah, so like that, stay there. Hold on. Perfect. All right, so we're gonna kind of just do I kind of like this sort of open area here with cars coming and stuff like that. And all I want you to do is just kind of like just switch around, just ha, whatever else, okay? This is what you have to do. You have to fake laugh it until you actually feel like laughing. Yeah, right. Exactly, until you get the shot, okay? Yeah. So perfect. Perfect. Look right here, yeah, do that again. That's perfect. Ooh, yes. Stay there. And kind of cross, like, yes, perfect. There you go, just like that. Look over your shoulder. There you go. Perfect. I like that, ha! Perfect, there you go. Look down, like that. Perfect. All right, let's step into the middle of the road really quickly, and then we'll switch the headpiece. Act like you're walking. Hold on. Back up. All right, I'll count to three. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, go ahead, walk. Okay, take your jacket, move, there you go, perfect. Come back to the center. Okay, so we are in Bed-Stuy again. We're just gonna find a brownstone to kind of get the colors to pop out, the colors that Ebony is wearing and the floral designs that Ebony's wearing from La Paris. So let's check this out now. That's La Paris not holding it. So if it's shaky as hell, it's her fault.
It's definitely my fault if it's shaky.
The top button is open.
Oh damn. Okay.
It's okay. You're shooting my chest. There we go. My head's up here. Oh my God. You're so like, ooh, I like how this looks already. Look right at me. Yes. And then her face just explodes with life and just laughing. There you go, perfect. Stay right there. Yes. So all serious here. I like the sort of stoic, serious, fierce, and do, yeah. Just stay in that element there right now. Perfect. Yes. Look at me. There you go. Yes. Yes, right there. Put your hand on your face. One hand, one hand. Yes. Yes. Yes, I like that. Beautiful. Stay right there. You good? Do almost like a basketball pose for me, like a guy that's sitting on the bench.
Okay.
Yeah. So almost forward. So they're like, there you go, like that. Yeah. Give me some of that. Yeah. Turn your head this way. Perfect.
Put the whole jacket off and like
Be free.
be free.
This is gonna be the junkiest footage ever. I swear to God, I'm still gonna use it. I'm still gonna use it. Kind of like this little red thing here, just kind of like almost like okay. But we wanna let's move this out of the way. We're just gonna move it out.
Okay.
Here, so you can pass it to me.
So no jacket, no bag.
No. Can we move the jacket in the bag? Okay, cool. Yes. Look right here. Yes. Perfect. Fierce, my God. There you go. Look away. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Stay there. I'm just gonna go in and get details of the actual.
Okay.
Do you have just give me a little piece of something, or can I just use one of these things? This. I'm just gonna. Okay.
Shoot through it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna shoot through it.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't worry. No, I'm not. Stay right there. Perfect. We're underground. We're in one of the train stations in the New York Transit line. We got Ebony. She's putting on her shoes right now, and we're gonna do a quick, like gorilla shoot, really quick, just to kind of get something interesting, something unique. And I have no flash, so this is all gonna be natural light. I'm sweating buckets because it's hot down here, and I mean, I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Let's see.
Let's see. Perfect. Look to me. Beautiful. Stay right there. Turn your head all the way like this way and look right at me, okay? Look right at me. Perfect. Look right at me, yep. Brighter eyes, slightly brighter, not too much. There you go, stay right there. Perfect. A little bit of shoulder. Yes. Yes. Beautiful, stay right there. I like that look up at me. 3, 2, 1. Look down and then look up. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Perfect. Beautiful. Do it one more time. Walk towards me. No, just from there. Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Perfect. Ooh, I think we got something. Hey. Right here, like push it hard.
Okay.
Perfect. And then we're gonna try and angle this more like this. Almost try and lean your body. Yeah, I know it's weird. Oh, somebody's coming. Oh, is this opening?
Oh, did we
I didn't press anything. I think it just felt you. That's all good. But we're just trying something here. Stay right there. Yes, love it. Over the shoulder. Quick, over the shoulder. You can go ahead. Woo. It's hot in here. It's hot. Film. You can go ahead. Turn towards me a little bit more. Yeah, right there, perfect. Give me a second here. Turn your head more towards me. Perfect. Yes, right there. Stay right there. Eyes up. Eyes down. Perfect. Stay there. Stay right there. Hold on. Don't move your eyes too quickly because sometimes there you go. Perfect. Stay right there. Eyes at me. All the way open, please. There you go. Perfect. Beautiful. Stay right there. Chin up. Yes. Turn your head a little more towards me. Yes. Perfect. Beautiful. Now something fun. Give me something fun. Perfect.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller. And I'm just super excited and super thankful for every single person that's supporting the channel, that has become a new subscriber, that has been on the journey thus far. We're learning a lot of things together. I'm sharing all of my techniques and my thoughts about the new gear that I've invested in. But the most important part is your support. I'm just encouraging you to share my videos. If there are any questions that you have, if you are thinking of subscribing, please subscribe and check out some of these new videos that I've created in the last couple of weeks. Thank you so much. Peace.